Hey guys, Rhett here, down here in Birmingham, continuing on looking at some properties that some clients either own, that are in the middle of rehab on, or have under contract. Super excited for this client. This is actually the third property this client has gotten under contract with us in the last 3 weeks. They're on a roll. They've been in the coaching program for about 45 days, and we already have three properties. So I'm super excited to show you guys this one. This is absolutely beautiful. It's basically as close to a turnkey property. I hate that term because really there's no such thing as turnkey when you're looking for tenants, because properties need things that aren't always available, and we have to put those in. So there's really no such thing as turnkey, but this is as close as it gets. Come on in. So guys, really quiet neighborhood, nice neighborhood, and this house has been, the seller has done some renovations to it, so it's in really good shape, and you'll see once you come on in. So guys, once we come inside, first thing you'll notice is really high ceilings. Really nice ceilings in here, crazy high. I mean, at least they're probably 12-foot ceilings, which is insane. All new, brand new laminate flooring in here, guys. This hallway runs from the front of the house to the back of the house, similar to a shotgun style. Now, this is not a shotgun house, but similar style to a shotgun house. Okay, so we have off of this main hallway. I guess we'll do it this way. Off this main hallway, we have our living room. Okay, guys, one of the things I'd love to do in this house is I'd love to put carpet down in the bedrooms in the living room. I really hate this painted over wood. I think it looks bad. It's not very warming. It's not very friendly. It's really cold in the winter, and it gets dirty really easily because it's dark paint, right? So, you know, every time you step on it, you're tracking stuff through the house. It never looks good. It always looks dirtier than it is. So I love carpet. I would put carpet in all of the bedrooms and all the living spaces in this home. Really nice, guys. So it definitely needs some windows. Some of these windows are caulked and painted over. So it's gonna need a couple of them. And you know, these windows have to work, which they don't. Yeah, they don't. So it's gonna need some replacing, okay? Because otherwise it won't pass a Section 8 inspection. Now, some of the windows in the house have been chiseled out. They've been uncaulked. These two are not two of those. So what happens is, guys, a lot of times with these windows, these are old windows, and the way that they operate is they have locks that are actually in the walls. So there's a weight mechanism where there's a weight where when you pull the window up, the weights come down, and when you pull the window down, the weights come up, and they counterbalance. A lot of times with these old windows, the rope that those weights are on have frayed, so we have to take the entire window out and put a new window in. There's no way to really replace these old windows. Plus, the glass is so unbelievably thin. You're talking about a 50, 60, 70-year-old window in some cases, okay? So, old fireplace here. The fireplace has been capped. I've had a bunch of questions on why they're capped. Now, fireplaces are a lot of work. If you don't take care of a fireplace the right way, you have issues. Some of these old houses, the fireplaces weren't taken care of. So you just cap them and you never have to worry about them, okay? Fireplaces require maintenance, and just like anything, when you don't keep up with maintenance, it gets ruined. All right, guys, so coming in here, we have brand new sheet flooring in the kitchen. It's a huge kitchen, okay? And you're not gonna believe this. This is, I have to say, I have not seen this very often. I'm pretty fired up for the client because this is an absolute gem. Yeah, Chris, I'm talking to you. Granite countertops. Holy cow. Unbelievable. Granite countertops, brand new faucets, brand new cabinets, brand new everything. This whole kitchen was redone. What cracks me up though, and this is how people do things, is you spend all this money, brand new countertop, granite countertop at that, put in the right way. I mean, it's phenomenal. All new cabinets. Cabinets are expensive. Handles, all new handles are in, right? Everything works nice. Everything's beautiful. And then disgusting old windows. Windows with cracks in them, okay? Right? They gotta be replaced. And it's funny, you guys come over here, you look at this, I see this all the time. This is a nail in the window. That is how this window locks, okay? So it's just stuff like that where you spend all this money and you do a beautiful sink, you do a beautiful kitchen, you put in a beautiful chandelier right here. I mean, come on. You know, with LED lights, it's unbelievable. And then you leave nails in windows and, you know, and you make us replace these, which is fine. We'll do that, that's easy. So here's the kitchen. So really, really nice. Moving back into the hallway, guys, we have our first bedroom, okay, right here. Again, another fireplace. A lot of these older houses, guys, they had multiple fireplaces. You know, but like I said, they're not being used. So this is a bedroom. We have a bedroom here. In order to have a bedroom, you need 2 points of egress, right? So you have a couple doors in here and a window. Also, you need a closet, okay? So here's your closet, all right? So this is bedroom number 1. Coming over here, now this bedroom also has an access point from the hallway, so don't think that the only way through here is through the bedrooms. But this is your other bedroom, okay? Bedroom number 2, all right? Really nice, ton of light, high ceilings. Again, really, really, really nice in here, okay? And here's another fireplace too. So both of these rooms share a fireplace. So when this house was built in probably the 40s, you can imagine how nice it was. Every bedroom had a fireplace, all right? And then, guys, coming off the back of the house, we have another bedroom, okay, a little bit smaller. Again, this bedroom also has an access point off of the back of the house, and I'll show you that here in a second. Another really good area right here, and high ceilings, beautifully done. We'll do a lot of touch-up. There's some touch-up work that needs to be done in here. We need to do some repainting. There's some mudding that was done here. We need to paint over that and just kind of do some very small cosmetic stuff. Like, for example, this window was actually put in sideways. This window right here, and this is the things that we deal with all the time. So this window is actually supposed to be this way, but I don't know if the person didn't know how to put a window in or couldn't get the supplies. So what they did was they built 2 pieces of wood into the house, and they took a window, put it sideways, nailed it or caulked it into the wood, and then they put a piece of flooring gap in right here, nailed it right on top right there, and that's just a piece of wood, and there's a very nice breeze coming through here both sides. So this window needs to be replaced, and if this actually, there's no way that this is going to operate, I don't think. Yeah, I mean, that's stone painted shut, and there's a nail in there also keeping it locked in. That's been painted over. God knows the last time this window was open. So, you know, just smaller cosmetic stuff needs to be done there. Now, coming to the back of the house, okay? So, this back of the house is directly in line with our front hallway there, okay? So, this was originally an outdoor porch that's been kind of, you know, encapsulated in. We have real tile floors in here, which is nice. They've been grouted nice. This was done the right way. Brand new PVC pipe right here for your washer dryer hookups. Brand new PEX piping here. Okay, they did a really nice job. We have our hookups. We have our dryer vents right here. These are newer windows right here, guys. So these are aluminum windows. These actually probably operate. Yep, they do. Okay, so that's good. right? They're newer, they're not new, but they work at least. We have our water heater right here, and then we have our bathroom, okay? So you guys have probably been wondering where the bathroom is. Now, the bathroom's in a funky place. It's in the back of the house, but it's phenomenal and it's brand new. Brand new tub, brand new vanity. The toilet's around the corner. All new tile flooring. It looks really, really good. It's just in a little bit of a funky place in the back corner of the house. Now, that's all right because all the plumbing is centralized back here. So when you're building these houses, guys, and you're rehabbing, you always want to try and keep all the plumbing in the same area, right? So when you're building houses, you put bathrooms over each other because that way all the plumbing runs straight down, okay? Same with houses that are all one level. You try and line up all the plumbing together. So right on the other side of this wall, we have our sink, we have all of our plumbing for the kitchen, okay? Right here, we have our water heater. Right here, we have our laundry and our connections for the washer, okay? So you're always trying to centrally locate all of your plumbing stuff, all right? Now, this is just an added security bonus. It's actually a brand new door with a brand new lock. I mean, everything is functioning great here. You know, we'll probably get rid of this, maybe leave it for the tenant if they want it, but they definitely don't need it. It's a nice area, and you know, you have a nice fenced in backyard. So you know, we'll leave this here for the tenant if they want it, but you know, definitely don't need it. Just a little bit of added security. Guys, absolutely love this thing. Couldn't be more fired up for our client Chris. It's his third house in just as many weeks. So really fired up for him. This is gonna be, we'll get a tenant in this thing ASAP. Purchase price on this thing was 61,000, and it'll need you know, about 10 in work, maybe a little bit more depending on how many windows need to be replaced, and if we end up doing the carpet, it'll probably be around 15,000. But you know, when you talk about financing these properties, guys, put $15,000 down on a $60,000 property. I mean, it makes it so possible for investors from all over the country to get into properties like this. So if you're interested in that, shoot me an email. Let's get started today. Chris, I'm fired up for you, man. Let's get this thing rocking. Thanks, guys.